ERP Cloud Toolbox product definition module makes inventory management in Cloud Fusion easy. And the great thing about the tool is you can do everything in one place. Let's take a look at it in action, starting with transaction defaults. We'll download the defaults for items for a particular sub-inventory location. Just put in the details and hit the button. 30 item defaults there. Now in the same worksheet we can delete some of them, it's easy as marking them for deletion, and we can make updates in the same sheet. We might find it easier to use the edit form here, so we can select the new sub-inventory values from the Oracle lists, and that gives us confidence in our data. And Excel makes it easy to apply those details to other records with copy and paste and copy down. We can create new records in the same worksheet. So here we paste in the data for the new items associated with our location, since we're moving the old ones out. And we're not limited to managing one organization at a time, so here we paste items in for a completely different organization code. No problem. We click the button on the Toolbox menu, and everything is loaded up to Oracle together. Easy. Let's look at item associations now. Sub-inventory associations, and over here Locator associations, both supported in the same worksheet. And we could simplify this layout by reordering columns or removing those we don't need. The Toolbox lets us manage multiple orgs and sub-inventories at the same time. Let's download some items from two sub-inventories and make some changes. We can update what we already have in Oracle, maybe change some quantity values. And in the same sheet we can delete and create new associations too. Let's add a new item. Paste in the sub-inventory details, and we can put in the locator details next to them, and upload everything together. One button click and everything is done. No extra worksheets, no fussy loading processes, simple. And there's a whole host of other great features in the product definition module, and you can find out more by going to our website or reaching out to a More4Apps sales rep.